Potrero National High School welcomes Team Extreme Philippines on September 13, 2024 with a program hosted by Mr. John Lesser Briones for the psychosocial support of learners and faculty. Team Extreme Philippines is a missionary group of foreigners that roam around campuses in Malabon City, showcasing talent and spreading the word of God to selected students from 7th to 12th grade.
So our heart is through what we do, through the stunts and the strength feats. Yes, it's entertaining, but that's not the sole purpose of it. Our main purpose is really to see hearts transform and to see young lives actually inspired to be a positive impact in their communities. And ultimately, we know that God has done that in our heart, in our lives, and if God can do it in our life and change our lives, then He can also do it in your life. And so our ultimate goal is to see transformation all across the Philippines and all across the nations.
The program started at 11:30 a.m. and ended at 12:30 noon, wherein the team first presented stunts to entertain the audience before spreading the gospel. Aiming to motivate and inspire not only the learners but also the faculty staff.
Yung message ko sa Extreme International ay patuloy sana nilang gawin yung kanilang advocacy na i-reach out yung mga young people at i-introduce si Lord sa kanila. Kasi alam naman natin ngayon na maraming mga struggles in life ang mga kabataan. So kailangan nila ng immediate support. So bukod sa family, friends, kailangan din natin ng iba't ibang mga organizations na ang advocacy talaga ay tulungan yung mga kabataan natin na napagaanin yung pinagdaraanan nila sa buhay. Kaya I hope na itong Extreme International ay magpatuloy pang mag-reach out ng mga students, not just here in Malabon, pero sa iba't ibang mga dako din ng mga schools.
I am Alfred Vargas, connecting people and information.